Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Drift Conversational Marketing Review My Sales Engagement Experience. Drift Conversational Marketing Review My Sales Engagement Experience offers a platform designed to improve sales engagement through conversational marketing. It's primarily aimed at businesses, particularly marketing and sales teams, looking to automate and personalize interactions with potential customers on their website. Key features likely include chatbots, targeted messaging, and lead qualification tools. Their website provides details on the various features and pricing tiers. Drift emphasizes boosting engagement and accelerating the sales cycle. They highlight the ease of use of their platform, promising a streamlined setup process and intuitive interface. While I couldn't find specific pricing on their main site, they likely offer various plans based on features and usage. Drift leveraged AI and machine learning to power its conversational marketing tools, allowing businesses to personalize interactions at scale. You can check out their website for more information and potentially request a demo to assess its suitability for your business. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Drift Conversational Marketing Review My Sales Engagement Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process guided me through setting up the chatbot and integrating it with my website. Initially, navigating the interface felt a bit overwhelming due to the sheer number of features. However, after spending some time with the platform and going through the helpful tutorials, I got the hang of it. I particularly liked how easy it was to customize the chatbot's responses and tailor them to specific pages on my website. For example, on the pricing page, I configured the bot to proactively engage visitors and answer common pricing-related questions. In terms of performance, the chatbot was generally responsive and handled simple inquiries effectively. I noticed a slight delay occasionally during peak traffic hours, but nothing too significant. I had a quick question about integrating Drift with my CRM, and their support responded within a day via email with a detailed explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track key metrics like conversation volume, lead qualification rates, and overall engagement. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to segment my audience and target them with personalized messages based on their behavior on my website. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for managing conversations on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for configuring the chatbot's AI, but the documentation was quite helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Drift and believe it can be a valuable tool for businesses looking to enhance their sales engagement efforts. That's my overview of Drift Conversational Marketing Review My Sales Engagement Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.